Welcome to data structure video. In this video, let's talk about pre-order traversal. For pre-order traversal, we'll use DLR. D stands for data, L for left, R for right. Let's start and find pre-order for the given graph, for the given tree. So this is D. This side is L and this right side is R. So follow DLR. So let's start. D is 100. Next it says go L. That is left side. Here again we'll follow DLR. That is DLR. So we'll first traverse D, that is 20, L 10, R 30. So it will be 20, 10 and 30. So we have traversed L. Now it says go R, that is right. So D, L, now we'll go R. Again in R we have D, L, R. So we'll first traverse D, then L, then R. 200, 150, 300. So this is main tree, this is subtree, left subtree, and this is right subtree. That's all for this video. For in order, check video in the description box. Subscribe for more.